everybody, and welcome back to Sew Aldo. It feels like I haven't seen you in a while, or you haven't seen me in a while. So today I decided to just kind of say hello to you and show you what I had been doing all month of January sewing wise. So anyway, for today's video I am going to show you all the sewing makes that I had been doing for the last 4 weeks. So some of them you already saw. Some are clothes that you haven't seen yet because they are going to be scheduled for the month of February. Now I'm going to show you the first dress, which is right over here. So let me just grab it. Ta-da! So this is the very first dress that I made for this month of January. You already saw this in the January sewing tutorial, and I just simply cloned my favorite dress and used it as a template to make this beautiful dress. And I also added some flutter sleeves just to make it more flouncy and springy, I guess. So yeah, I really love how it turned out, and I absolutely love the fabric. Even though this is like a deep red color, it has like pinks and green on the fabric, so I can still wear this for spring. And I also have some leftover fabric and I made a headband. I'm going to show it to you. It's right here. I actually made a headband, but it doesn't look good on my head. For some reason, I don't look good with headband. And plus, when I wear headbands, it pinches the nerve at the back of my head and it gives me a headache. So I decided to just put it on my favorite hat. And now I have a matching cute little number. So I absolutely love this. Let me show you the detail on the neckband. I absolutely love it. It's just perfection. And I love the fabric. It's super soft. And the only thing is, type of fabric is very clingy and staticky. I find that if I wear some sort of slip underneath the dress, it takes the clinginess of the fabric. So if you are curious about that, so that is the first dress. Okay, so this is a preview because I haven't posted the tutorial on this dress yet. So I basically used the same pattern for the dress that I just showed you, and I modified the bodice and added a tummy support band over here just to give it an extra detail. I also added pockets. And I really like how it turned out. This is super easy. For the neckline, I also did a bias binding because it is super easy to do. And I absolutely love it. I am obsessed. This is like a perfect Valentine's Day dress. I can totally wear this. Yeah, I really like it. Actually, my daughter liked this dress as well. So yeah, we are going to have to fight over this dress. Yeah, fun fact is my daughter and I wear the same size already, which is kind of weird. That means she's just growing up so fast. So anyway, so that is the dress. The tutorial for this dress is going to be posted February. So yeah, I really like it, and the fabric is super nice. And I'm just going to have the links to all the fabrics that I use for this dresses that I have been showing to you guys, because I forgot what's the name of this fabric. So that's that. And like I said earlier, I put pockets. So I am super obsessed with dresses with pockets. They are very essential to any garment. So anyway, let's go ahead and put it back here. The third one that I made is this jeans. I didn't make the jeans, but I hacked it and turn it into a maternity jeans. And I'm not pregnant, by the way. So this is a requested video, one of my lovely subscribers. So thank you so much for giving me this idea to show you how to easily make your own maternity pants or jeans. And take note, this is not just for maternity. If you feel like, you know, wearing or turning your regular skinny jeans into something that has elastic, or scuba. I use scuba knit fabric over here, so it's very soft and comfortable against the skin. So that's that. And yeah, the tutorial for this is going to be available February, and this is going to be up for grabs. I will be giving this away, so be on the lookout for that one, because I will be giving away this maternity jeans to one of my lucky subscriber. I make a lot of clothes that actually some of them I cannot wear. So I'd rather give them away to you guys if you feel like wearing my makes. So that's that. I told myself this year I'm going to be using some of the patterns that I bought like at the beginning of pandemic, which was last year. So I decided to make a dress using this pattern. So I had been sewing, actually it was just yesterday. I finished it just yesterday and today is Saturday. So this is the pattern that I used, and the fabric that I used was a bed sheet that I got from the thrift store. So it looks like this, and if you remember, I called it the unicorn bed sheet color because it has all the beautiful pastel colors that you will find in a unicorn. So anyway, let me grab it. Okay, oh my gosh, my mannequin is so tall, but I absolutely love how this dress turned out. Bring it a little closer to you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I did some alteration to this just because I did not like the way the sleeve was looking when I followed the pattern or the instruction here. So I just kind of modified it to what I think is going to look best. I decided to gather it instead because when I pleated it, it just looks terrible. It looks hideous and I absolutely hated it. So I went ahead and just gathered the sleeves and it turned out super cute. I also added some pockets. The pattern didn't have that option, but because I just want to feel extra, I did pockets on both sides of the dress. The v-neck, I absolutely love it. I think it's perfect and it doesn't show much, you know, it's just a perfect V. It's not super deep, which is a plus for me. Only thing that I don't understand is the pleats here. It looks funny when I wear it. I have this mass of fabric on top here. Good thing this is a mock-up because I am going to try to make it again. I'm going to make the sleeves a little shorter because it does hit me right here on my elbow and it just looks super big for my frame. It's like when I wear this dress, it becomes all about the sleeves just to make the proportion fit my body better. And then I'm going to remove the pleats altogether. It looks silly. I don't know what they're thinking. Do that and top stitch it. So you can see the difference. This one is flatter and this one is just like, I don't know. But I absolutely love this dress. I think it's super sweet. And the skirt is like it's a half circle. And I also noticed that the bodice is extra long. So when I remake this, I am going to cut the bodice. I'm going to trim the bodice to about 2 inches just to make it high-waisted because I don't wear low-waisted dress. It doesn't look good on my body. Or this is the fabric that I am going to be using for when I remake this. If you want me to film a tutorial on how I am going to remake this dress, be sure to leave a comment down below. I didn't film a tutorial on this one just because I decided one day I want to sew and I didn't feel like filming. If you want me to film a tutorial on how I am going to make this dress with some modification, be sure to leave a comment down below. Alright? And if you are still here at the end of the video, I appreciate you. Thank you for staying with me throughout this whole entire video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video thumbs up so YouTube will recommend my videos to viewers like you who loves to be crafty and who loves to sew. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!